Good morning, good morning. Happy winter. We are in the month of February, so I'm all bundled up. We are 20 some degrees. We also had a -4 tide. So I wanted to share with you Monroe Landing. It is just south of Oak Harbor. This is Coupeville, straight across. And look at our mountains. So we have the Olympics right there, and they are absolutely snow-capped. If we can see further around behind, that would be the Cascades. And it is just a beautiful, crisp, clear day. When we get some strong winds from the north, then we get our freezing temperatures. And so we were supposed to have our winds coming back from the west, so that will bring our rain back in, and our temperatures will come back up into, I think we're about mid-40s. And so here we are, Monroe Landing, awesome boat launch here. And so Piper and I definitely have launched our paddle boards and the kayaks here. And you can paddle across to Coupeville, pick up a beer. You can go into Toby's or Front Street Grill, have an awesome hamburger or bowl of mussels straight from the water here, and have just a delightful day. And so even in winter, this is what we get. Beautiful day. And typically, you know, even if it was raining, we would still be out because more than likely it would just be a drizzle. So that's all I've got for you. Monroe Landing, outside of Coupeville and Oak Harbor on the beautiful Whidbey Island. So if you would like more information about moving to this beautiful island, you can message me or go to my website, which is movetowhidbey.com. I hope you have a gorgeous day like Piper and I are. So let us continue our walk. Bye.